Hey guys, hope you did pretty well with the review yesterday. I'm going to go over these questions just to walk you through them. Our first one says 7y to the 5th power times negative 4y squared. To solve this, you multiply the numbers. 7 times negative 4 gives you negative 28. I have y to the 5th times y to the 2nd. And I have to add my exponents. So, times y, 5 plus 2 is 7. So you should have negative 28, y to the 7th power. Let's take a look over at this one over here. I start with 3 times 12, which gives me 36. Now I look at my p. I have p to the 4th and p to the 3rd that I'm multiplying. That gives me p to the 7th. And then I have q and q squared. 1 plus 2 is cubed. So 36 p to the 7th, q to the 3rd power. Just multiply and combine your like terms. Now let's look at a couple of examples using FOIL. We have x minus 4 times x plus 8. First, x squared. Outside, x times 8 gives you plus 8x. Inside, minus 4 times x is minus 4x. And our last term, negative 4 times 8 equals minus 32. Combine my like terms. 8x minus 4x gives you plus 4x minus 32. Okay, let's try another one. 4x times 2x gives me 8x squared. Outside, 4x times 6 gives you plus 24x. Inside, negative 1 times 2x is minus 2x. And finally, last, negative 1 times 6 is minus 6. Make sure that you're paying attention and you keep that negative sign in there. That's going to make a difference for you. Now I combine my like terms. I should end up with 8x squared plus 22x minus 6. Okay, FOIL. We have two more. And these are our special polynomials. I notice on this one over here that I have 3x plus 9 and 3x minus 9. I know that this is a difference of squares. And I'm going to use our shortcut formula, which is a squared minus b squared. In this case, a is 3x and b is 9. 3 squared would be 9, x squared would be x squared, minus 81. Now they're going to ask you what this other one over here is called. And when you have something, a binomial that is squared, this is a perfect square trinomial. Now, I will tell you I don't really use the shortcut for this. So I'm going to FOIL it out. If you know and want to use the formula, please do so. X times x is x squared. Negative 8 times x gives you minus 8x. Negative 8 times x is another minus 8x. Negative 8 times negative 8 gives you positive 64. Combining my like terms, negative 8 minus 8 gives me negative 16x plus 64. All right, keep trucking along. If you have questions before you get to the quiz, go ahead, let me know, and I will be here for you.